So how do you know if a home has been flipped? House flippers who are attempting to make a quick profit on a sale are going to rely on you as the buyer not being able to distinguish between the two. So today I'm going to teach you how to tell if a home was flipped and why it matters. As always, if you want more customized advice, feel free to book a call, a buyer or a seller consultation with me to go over all your real estate options. These are the things that you can do to prevent making an expensive mistake and avoid getting taken advantage of. Number 1, by investigating when it was sold and the time in between it was then relisted can indicate a lot. I like to compare the home to its previous sale history and discover when any of the renovation work was done. My clients especially value being able to view past sale details and photos before the renovations. Number 2, the truth is also in the permits, which can be found through your local government. If a flipped home does not have those permits, it may be a sign that the work was done as a do-it-yourself project or that work wasn't professionally inspected. Number 3, you'll notice that a flip will have fresh paint, probably some new floors, maybe a shiny granite or quartz countertop. But it's often the work that the buyers don't see, like the plumbing or a closer look at the mechanicals, that will cause trouble if the work was done unprofessionally. Make sure that your realtor and that your home inspector connect you to the professionals that will give you an indication of what you soon may be spending. Don't let yourself fall into the trap of overlooking the quality of the renovations done in a flipped home. There's a lot of homework that your realtor can help you with to make sure that you're buying a quality investment.